I am suitable for this post.
ज्योग्राफी आती हो
Somehow.
तो दरिया नील कहाँ से बहता है?
Darya Neel.
इसका सोर्स क्या है दरिया नील?
Sorry.
पाकिस्तान के वेस्ट में मुल्क कौन सा है?
West, we can say Iran.
Can you name 3 religious parties of Pakistan?
Three religious parties. First of all, Jamiat Ulama Islam Faith, like Maulana Fazlur Rahman, and
Just name. Don't tell the
JUIFA and JUIS, JUIS Maulana Sami.
These are the
two.
Three, F, S Rajulak and S Maulana Sami.
New SP in Hyderabad.
USP.
Who is the IG of Sindh?
IG of Sindh Mushtaq Mahar. Recently he has appointed.
Who is the Home Minister of Sindh?
Home Minister, I think, Anwar, no idea.